How to get Discord Nitro. Want cooler emojis, bigger uploads, CSD streaming, and custom tags? Today I will show you exactly how to get Discord Nitro step by step. Let's go. First things first, launch the Discord app or visit discord.com in your browser and log into your account. Now go to user settings. Click the gear icon near your username at the bottom left corner on desktop. In the left menu from the available options, click Nitro. This shows you all the perks and Nitro plans available. You will see two main options: Nitro Basic, cheaper with fewer perks; Nitro Full, all premium features. Select monthly or yearly billing. Click subscribe and enter your credit or debit card or PayPal information. Confirm your payment and boom, you have got Nitro. Bonus tip, you can also give Nitro to friends. Just click gift next to the plan and follow the same steps. Now you know how to get Discord Nitro and unlock all the awesome features, from animated emojis to server boost and profile banners. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.